Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jim Grisanzio from the Java Developer Relations team, and we're here now. This is the morning of day 3, JavaOne in Las Vegas, and I'm here with my new friend from Brazil who now lives in New York, Rodrigo Graciano. Welcome.
That's correct. Thank you, Jim. It's very nice to be here. It's a beautiful conference so far. Today is day 3. I'm very happy to be here. It's been a wonderful experience. My first JavaOne has been a wonderful experience for me so far.
Oh, this is your first JavaOne.
That's correct. That's my first JavaOne, and a lot of people are saying that they love JavaOne before older editions. And I have nothing to compare with the previous one, so I'm loving everything that's here. I'm loving meeting people, seeing all the community here. I'm having a great time.
Excellent, excellent. Because usually when I talk to people, pretty much everyone I've spoken to, yeah, I've been to 26 JavaOnes or something, since the very first one. So, okay, cool. So you run the Java user group in New York, right?
Correct.
So tell me what it's like to run a user group in New York, because New York's a huge, huge place.
Yeah, so the good thing about running the user group from New York is that everybody wants to go to New York. So it's pretty easy to find speakers. I joined the Java user group 3 years ago, and has been a completely changed for my career. Everything changed for my career from that point on. I was able to meet a lot of people from the community, meet people that are building the software that we use, all those speakers. So I think for me it was a great change for my career professionally. And I suggest everyone that is able to join a user group, participate it, to do it, because it's unbelievable. And did you know, Jim, that the New York Java SIG was the first Java user group ever created?
No, I didn't know that, really.
Yeah, it's the first one 4 months after Java was created. It was created in September 1995. First Java user ever created by Frank Greco. And he's still the president. He's still helping to run the jug.
So, I mean, you would think it would be Silicon Valley, right? So, that's interesting. So, I mean, so you joined the group 3 years ago, and you're already running it now. That's quite an accomplishment.
Yeah, I think it was right person, right time. I have joined a few sessions before that. I really enjoy. And I was working in a company. I wasn't working with Java, and I was looking for some way to be more connected to Java, to the community, and learn what was going on with the ecosystem. I volunteer at right time. They have an open position in the jug, which is really rare to happen, but they have an open position. I started that it was about May 2019. And for me, as I said, it was great to be part of the jug. And I'm lucky because everyone in the jug is super smart, and all of them are Java champions. Or like we have Frank Greco, Chandra Gontour, Barry Birds, Ray is there as well. So it's a great to be part of this and be around such smart people.
Well, I'll have to come visit, because I actually grew up in New York. I grew up on Long Island, and so I'll have to come visit someday. I haven't been back to that part of the U.S. in a long, long time. So cool. All right, so let's talk about Java. Why Java? Why did you become a Java developer? What's so special about it?
Funny thing, I wanted to be a Java developer for a long time. I was working with Visual Basic, and I know there was a company in Brazil that were working with Java. I knew nothing about Java at the time, and we didn't have access to information like we have today. But I went to a talk. I liked it, what they said about Java. I said, that's what I want to work with. I did one interview in this company that didn't work out. I did a second interview, didn't work out. And 6 months later, I said, I'm not giving up. I did an interview and I joined, and I started working with Java since 2006. So I pretty much love working with Java. So long career, started with Java 1.4. So I see a lot of changes in the Java on this time. And Java is present in, billions of devices. Every SB 500 company uses Java. So I think that it's a great technology and has a great market share. I love everything about it.
What are you doing now? How are you using Java now in your job?
Right, so I'm working at the Bank of New York Mellon in New York. We are mainly a Java shop. We have many applications using Java. My team works with batch processing applications. So we do receive many information from several vendors, and we use Java to process this information and distribute market data to other teams in the bank.
I think that bank goes way back, right?
Yeah, yes. The Bank of New York was the first bank ever created in the U.S. It was founded by Alexander Hamilton itself. Yeah, so it goes way back, way back. Not many people know about the bank because it's not a commercial bank. It's a custodian bank, but it's a big company, has 40,000 employees. So it's basically like a technology company. So we do use Java heavily at BNY Mellon.
Interesting. So interesting, cool. So, all right. So, what about the conference here? Since this is day 3 now. You've already been attending sessions and having conversations. Give me a sense of some of the conversations that have been taking place, because we're out in the hallway here because the sun is too bright outside and the lighting actually on the inside is not so great. But there's hundreds of people in back there. What are they talking about?
There is. I think everybody is happy to be here. To start with, I think everybody was very happy. Like being 5 years since the last JavaOne, or there was Oracle one. I think about 5.
Yeah, JavaOne was, I think 2018 was the last, and then it was rebranded to be Oracle Code One.
Yeah.
But it was still Java content, but it was just different branding. So yeah, this is the first branded JavaOne in a while.
So I think exactly. First of all, people are very happy to be back. So I think all members of the community that I know, they were heavily talking about how JavaOne is back. Everybody's very happy. And I think this conference is beautiful. Right? We have a beautiful venue here. I love to be part of this. I'm talking to everyone I can, meeting a lot of new people. I'm trying to attend as many sessions as possible, and mainly the networking, because I think it's a great opportunity to be in touch with those people that are defining the future of Java, people that are writing books about Java, they are giving talks about Java, and being on an event like this is an opportunity to network and talk to those people. That's not
Excellent.
something you can do from your home.
Yeah, absolutely true. So what about Las Vegas? We've had beautiful weather. It's been pretty wild out here. I haven't been here in 25 years or so. So what's it like for you? Is this your first time to Vegas?
It's my first time in Vegas as well. I like the city. Having a lot of fun here. The weather is perfect. So now in New York now it's 35. My wife said it's 35 this morning, and look in New York. So it's beautiful weather here. So I'm having a great time here. I'm really enjoying the city. I'm leaving tonight, unfortunately. I wish I had more time, but we'll be back next year.
Still got a couple of days. All right, Rodrigo, it was great talking to you. It was great to meet you here, and hopefully I can get back to New York, see you, and thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Jim. Nice meeting you.
Talk to you soon. See you guys.